Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I just wanted to show you this product in person in case you're interested in buying yourself later. This is an amazing gaming chair that I just got. It does require some assembly when you get it, but don't worry, it's super easy to put it together. All the individual parts were carefully packaged in a box and are labeled for easy identification. They were also all bubble wrapped. The first thing you want to do is take out all the parts from the box. Make sure you have a lot of floor space so you can carefully lay out the parts. The instruction manual was included in the same bag as the backrest. It was well written and easy to understand. There are also a lot of illustrations that show you step by step on how to put together the chair. Take some time to read it before starting your project. The first thing you want to do is assemble the base. You need to put together these 5 bars here. These are the ones that will connect to your wheels. They are made of metal and are extremely durable. Just follow the instructions on how to put it together. The bars and the base will only fit together one way. The mounting hardware were included in this bag here. They are also labeled for easy identification. The manufacturer also did include some extra bolts and screws for you. Most of the bolts require an Allen wrench, which is included with the package. Take some time to make sure that all the screws are nice and tight. You don't want them loose, otherwise they may fall off in the future. If you have a power tool, this may speed up the installation. The chair has 5 wheels and can easily move across any flat surface. It doesn't matter if it's carpeted or hardwood. The wheels will just glide right over them. The wheels are also made of plastic, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your flooring. Once the wheels and base are assembled, then the next thing you want to do is attach the spring here. This will allow the chair to go up and down. Just follow the instructions on the manual to make sure that it's not in the wrong position. The next step is to assemble the armrests. Make sure to use the correct bags. They are labeled for the right or the left side. One has a blue bag and the other has the green bag. Like more expensive chairs, the armrest does slide upward. Once both armrests are assembled, set them aside for now, and then start to work on the backrest. One thing that I really like about this chair is that it's lightweight. There's also a lot of mesh material so that it does not get too hot. There's also a headrest and a lumbar support. The next step is to attach the armrest onto the back of the chair. There's a screw on each side that you need to tighten. The chair also comes in different colors for you to pick from. In fact, there are 9 different colors for you to choose. The chair itself weighs about 30 pounds. And people up to 130 pounds can sit on it. And for peace of mind, it has a lifetime warranty. Just make sure to follow the instructions on the manual to fill out your registration form. Once the armrests are attached, the next step is to assemble the seat. There are 4 different screws that you need to put in. There's a sticker on the seat that indicates which direction is the front. This was probably the hardest part of the assembly. Make sure that all the screws are assembled and straight. If you need to, use the packaging box to line up the holes. It did take me about 5 minutes to get all the holes to line up and to tighten up the bolts. Once the seat is attached to the backrest, the next step is to attach this adjustment bar. This is a lever that you use to adjust the seat's height, as well as a tension for you to lean back. Once all the screws are tightened, then the next step is to put it onto the base. It will snap in place so you don't have to worry about it falling off. We're almost done with the installation. The last step is to install the headrest. There are 2 screws that you need to put in place. The headrest is adjustable and can move up and down, as well as forward and backwards. Next, put on this decorative plate to cover the holes. Read the instruction manual on how to adjust the height, as well as the tension for leaning back and forth. There's also a knob on the back that adjusts the lumbar support. I like this chair a lot because it's easy to assemble and it's very comfortable to use. It can be used both as a gaming and office chair. It's also fully customizable for each person's comfort.